In this tutorial, I will explain how to add a manuscript citation to a protocol. A protocol that has been reported for the first time in a peer-reviewed paper can be linked to that paper by using the manuscript citation window. In this example, this protocol was reported also in a peer-reviewed paper in Nature Communications, and the citation to that manuscript can be found in the Metadata tab. To add a manuscript citation to your protocol, if it has already been published in protocols.io, follow these instructions. Using this test protocol as an example, go to the three dots at the top right corner of your protocol, select Manuscript Citation, and add the citation of the paper that reports your protocol for the first time. Then click Save. Please email us at info@protocols.io once you have added the manuscript citation so we can add the journal badge to your protocol.